Hey, how are you? Good to see you in one frame to both of you.
We are doing great, and what about you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. So far, so good. No complaints. So tell me, would you like to introduce yourself one by one?
Sure. Okay, thanks for giving us an opportunity to introduce ourselves. So, first of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood and I am from Dinajpur district from Bangladesh. I hope you know about Bangladesh. And this is my sister. We are siblings and twins, baby. I think that's all about me.
Okay, so you also, baby, would you like to introduce yourself?
Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to tell about myself. My name is Maliha bin Masud. I study in class 7 recently and I'm from Dinajpur in Bangladesh. As you can see, this is Muaj and he's my brother. We're siblings as well as we're twins and my father is a professor as well as my mother is a teacher. I think that
Mm-hmm.
this is about myself.
Okay, great. Lovely to know that you are a twin. But do you know that I have also twin baby?
No, no, we so don't please know. Introduce yourself also.
Yeah. Of course, gladly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rekha Sharma, and I'm connecting you from the city of Faridabad, Haryana, if you heard that name, from India only. And if you talk about my highest, BCom, B.Ed, and CTET qualified. And moreover, my fascinating part of life is I'm more into yoga, meditation, and dancing. And yes, I have also twin baby. One is a baby boy, and one is a baby girl, like you. So I can say that, a twin mother is sitting in front of the twin baby, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so tell me, one thing I would like to know that, so today is Sunday, right? Today is
Yes.
Sunday.
Yes, today is Sunday.
About to weekend is about to end. So how did you plan your weekend? What did you do? Saturday, Sunday.
Sorry for that. That in my country, a Friday and Saturday is holiday. It is a working day in our country.
Okay, Sunday is a working day for you. Okay, in India, actually, Saturday and Sunday is a holiday. Okay, no worries. So, tell me, who motivates you to create your YouTube channel and why you are learning this language?
Yes, actually, first of all, to be honest, my parents inspired us to learn this language. Also, they told us to create a YouTube channel to practice. Just we created this channel just for practicing purpose, so that we can actually reach our goals to learn English fluently, to speak English fluently. So the next question is that at why I'm learning this language.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I'm learning this language behind so many reasons. So first reason is that it is an international language.
Mm-hmm.
So in that time when I didn't start my journey, in that time my father told me that my son, my dear son, that in our country Bangladesh the importance of learning English is increasing day by day,
Okay.
and it is must to learn this language to get a good job with a smart salary.
Mm-hmm.
And also we have we have actually aim a future plan to go abroad, but
Mm-hmm.
so actually if we go there we won't be able to understand their language, and also they won't be able to understand our language. So we can actually communicate with them through English. Ish.
Mm-hmm.
Also, most of the data of the world is in
Mm-hmm.
English, not in our mother language. So
Mm-hmm.
that is why I'm learning this language.
Okay, great. Lovely to know that you are learning this language for your career growth, right? So
Yes. So
I want. Uh-huh. Yes. You're saying
you
something?
are your mother language is not English. Your mother language may be Hindi. So how have you learned this language, ma'am?
I learn it by my own. And I would say it's been only 3.5 or 4 months back. I've started my journey to learn this language. Although I have the knowledge of grammar and everything, it's just that I need to be practiced. Like you said that you created your YouTube channel to practice with the co-learner, right? So that you can learn this English language. Similarly with me, I created my YouTube channel so that I can connect with the radiant people. I can keep myself on the practice mode. I can be a better version of myself.
Have any YouTube channel?
4 months back. 4 months back, I've started my YouTube channel.
How many subscribers do you have?
I have 500 something subscriber. Okay,
Okay.
so hmm. So may I ask you one question?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So you're a twin brother, right? Twin brother, sister, right? I have also a twin baby. I have one baby boy, I have one baby girl. So tell me, is there any advantage and disadvantage being a twin?
Yes, they are almost similar like us because when everybody see us, I have noticed that when any persons here at first that they actually catch actually match in our face. Also, they can actually our written style is almost same. Also, we are learning this language, so I think it is.
I know you must be in same class, right? Same class, same
Yes,
section,
Yes.
right?
same class, same.
So that time, what kind of a advantage you get from your sister, and you how what kind of a advantage you get from your brother? Do you get any kind of advantage that time in classroom?
In class 2, actually, we get so many benefits in our class that we are so siblings. It is our fortune. And so when we need, I help my sister. When I need, she helps me. I think through this actually helping processing, we actually did it.
Okay, so tell me one more thing. I have twin baby. My brother, what actually my does? He starts something, and my daughter always follow her, right? So do you follow the same procedure? Who's the one to follow? Like you follow your sister, or your sister follow you? Is there
Actually,
is
to
there
be honest,
equality?
I
Uh-huh.
follow my sister, and also my sister follows me. Each
Okay,
other.
so who's the naughty one then? Who's the naughty one between you
Both,
both?
can say.
Okay, that's great. So, in class, when you were in your class, right? So, do you feel any kind of a discrimination? Have you felt that your teacher sometime maybe compare you?
No,
No,
no, we
no.
don't feel like it.
So that way you enjoy in your class.
Yes,
Yes,
we
we
enjoy
enjoy.
a lot in our
Hmm.
class.
So, okay, tell me, what is the best part? What is the best part being a twin, according to you?
According to us, that they actually their talking style is so similar because they are twins. Also, they are actually style walking any kind of style, walking style, playing style, talking style, eating style, writing style. Almost everything is same. Also, their behaves almost the same. I think according to me, this is actually similar
Yes.
between twins.
Okay. So your food habits are same?
Yes, yes, almost,
Almost same.
almost.
So, okay. So, what do you like the most to eat? What is your favorite food?
Oh, food. Actually, our favorite food is fish.
Fish. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's great. So, do you have
Yes,
any? Mhm.
but I
Now, I
don't know that what is my sister's favorite food.
okay. You tell me what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is meat.
Eat. Okay, no worries. So now, I wanted to ask you the question. What's your name, baby? What's your
My
name?
name is Maliha.
Mahija. Okay,
Maliha.
Maliha. Okay, Maliha. Now, I want you to give me an answer, right? Right. So my question is that are you a movie buff person? Are you love to watch TV?
No, I'm not watch TV.
You don't watch TV? So any program, how do you entertain then? How do you entertain yourself? How do you entertain then?
Actually, I was mobile.
You watch mobile. So how did you to improve? What do you do to improve your communication skill? Do you apply any kind of a activity because you have co-learner, right? You have co-learner, your sister. You both can
Yes.
practice together, right?
Yes, we are practicing together, and first time we have to study, and I think that if we practice more and more, it's very easy to all of us to especially
Mhm.
speak in English.
So do you get the time to, work for your YouTube channel? Do you get the time?
Yes, we have a lots of time to work for our YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Because we are students, so we don't get enough time in a day. So at night, this is the best time I think after returning from school.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what kind of a language you use at school? Your regional language or English language? What is your
Yes,
environment?
our school.
You use English language.
Yes,
Yes.
just for communicating each other and with our English teacher. Just
Mm-hmm.
we use English, and otherwise
Okay.
other time we use our mother language.
Okay, your mother language. So any question you want to ask me, or should I ask or more question to
Yes.
you?
How many members do you have in your family?
Okay. I'm living with in a nuclear family. I have with my twin baby, right? And with my husband. That's all. Four members in my family.
Okay.
Great. Anything else you
Also,
want? Mm-hmm.
plus some suggestions so that we can improve our spoken English.
You are doing excellent job. You are connecting with the people. The most important thing, you need the luxury of environment of English, right? And that you have already built up. Right, you already created the English environment for yourself. How? You have created your YouTube channel, right? You are connecting with the people, you are practicing with them, and the most important thing, you have a co-learner, you have a partner to practice with them, right? You both can
Yes.
practice. You both can practice, but most important is the right way of practice. The right way practice is that you need to take one topic for yourself. Instead of going to the random question, take one topic, right, and discuss it together. That will going to be helpful. That will when you will discuss a topic now, you will well versed with the new words.
Yes, yes. When we get free time, we try to take a topic and make try to make a conversation.
That's an amazing activity when you will take topic for yourself, right? So tell me
Yes.
anything you, yes, anything you want to ask me, or yes, one more question I want to ask you. being a twin being a twin, do you really feel that you have a kind of responsibility on your shoulder?
Yes, definitely. We all of both of us have so many actually responsibility on ourselves because so it is actually we should help each other or any kind of work. I
Mm-hmm.
think.
So do you help each other?
Yes,
Yes, we try always help each other.
And do you have a same nature or different nature?
almost same
Same
nature.
nature.
I think.
Same. So do you fight? Do you
Uh,
fight?
yes, sometimes we fight.
Uh-huh. Okay, that's great. Then who go for the that's great. Then who go for the say, who's the one who go for the say sorry? कौन sorry सबसे पहले बोलता है? Who? Do you know Hindi? Do you know Hindi? Do you understand
Sorry,
Hindi? Okay, so
Yeah,
apart
I
from
know
English.
a little bit.
Okay, apart from English language, any other language that you want to learn?
No, we don't. We are not so interested to learn other language. Just nowadays we are learning this language, English.
Okay, tell me, Muwaj, what do you want to be in your life?
Actually, to be honest, I have decided that I want to be an engineer.
Okay, engineer. That's great. And you, baby, what do you want to be?
actually, I think that, and I have decided that in future, I'll be able. I want to be a doctor.
Doctor. That's great. You have different uh, profession. You choose actually different profession, right?
Yes.
Hmm? So
Our
anything
design always same, but our favorite profession is different.
different. Yes. Great, great.
What do you do to improve your spoken English?
Okay, I actually um at my home actually the environment actually in my home we have environment of English, right? So we talk in English first of all and try to connect with the people, different people through YouTube channel, right? And the most important thing, I whatever I listen, whatever I read, everything is in English, right? I never use my mother tongue. I never think in my mother tongue language. Always in English. Once you will create that habit inside you to think in English, everything English, then you will. Nobody's going to stop you this language, right? So always try to immerse yourself in this language. Then only you are going to learn this language. Otherwise, you are good. You are speaking well. You are a good speaker, right?